Hello students, welcome to MWings Academy classes. I am Amit and in this video we shall continue the noun topic. So dear students, in our earlier videos we have discussed about the noun. In our first topic in noun we discussed about the types of noun, what is noun. Okay, later we started the noun number. And in that video we discussed about the noun number. One is countable and another is uncountable, and later we move further, and there we knew that how we can convert, otherwise how we can change a singular noun into a plural noun. Now in this video we will discuss about the noun gender. So dear students, you all live in a family, and in your family members some are females and some are males. Some who are male is known as masculine gender, and those who are females are known feminine gender. In your family members, some members may be in the profession of teaching, or maybe he or she is a teacher, maybe he or she is a doctor, an engineer, whatever. So when they are known by their profession, so their profession may be given a gender also. Suppose your brother, otherwise your uncle, aunt, any one of them is a teacher. So teacher is a common gender. Why? Because a lady and a gents both may be a teacher. Okay. Now in your family, otherwise in your house, there are so many things. Some are your lovable, that you love so much, such as your own car, your own bike, your own dolls. So these are non-living things: car, bike, dolls, your favorite books. These are non-living things. So name of the non-living things is known as a neuter gender. So in this video we will discuss these 4 types of gender that I told you orally. First is common gender, second is neuter, and in the earlier I told you about the masculine and the feminine gender also. So we start the noun gender. Noun gender. So in noun gender we can divide a noun on the basis of gender in 4 parts. It may be first part as a masculine gender, in the second part you can say feminine gender, in the third portion we can say common gender, and in the fourth portion it is neuter gender. So here I am writing some names who live, name of persons who live with us in our home, in our family. So here I write father, with our father is also our mother, such as grandfather, grandmother, Okay, you can say your brother also, sister. Here are some animals who may be your pet, such as dog. Okay, in these some are teachers, some doctor, some may be in the business of traveling, maybe driver, and a driver who drives car. Okay, a teacher who goes in school, and a doctor who goes in hospital. Okay, in hospital he cures patients. So here are some words: father, mother, grandfather, brother, sister, dog, teacher, doctor, driver, car, school, and hospital. Maybe some more others also. So these words now we divide into in four genders. So first of all, we talk about the masculine gender. A masculine gender represents to all those persons who are male. So here, father is a male. Then grandfather is also male. My brother is also male. And dog, which is an animal, it is also belong to masculine gender. Okay, dog also belongs to masculine gender. Letter teacher, doctor, driver, car, school, and hospital. So maybe my uncle, otherwise my brother, is a doctor, but it is not compulsory that only a masculine gender may be a teacher, doctor, and driver. A feminine gender also may be a teacher, doctor, or driver. So we put these words not in masculine nor in feminine, we put them into common gender. So first of all, we talk about the feminine gender. So feminine means female. So among these words, mother is female, and sister is also female. Okay, dog we have already written. Now talk about the common. So common gender represents to common name that can be used for both masculine or feminine gender, such as teacher. A male is also teacher and a female is also teacher. Second is doctor. A doctor is also, and driver. Okay, so doctor and driver also common gender. Now we talk about the neuter. In neuter gender, we can put all non-living things which are not movable. So we can put a car. Car is movable, but it doesn't move itself. Okay. Now school and hospital. So car, school, and hospital, these are the name of objects, you can say. Car is, and you can say a thing. School and hospital is the name of building, otherwise name of place. So you can divide these names, these nouns, according to their gender, according to their type of gender. Now we move further and see what is a masculine gender, what is a feminine gender, same, common and neuter. So first, masculine gender. A name, otherwise a noun, which is used only for male is known as masculine gender. A person, an animal, and a bird can be put in this category. Okay, so it is not necessary that only a person may be masculine gender. A dog is also masculine gender, and dog is an animal. A crow is also masculine gender, and a crow is a bird. So a person, an animal, and a bird may be in the category of masculine gender. Examples: brother, father, uncle, grandfather, boy, and in animal, dog, in animal, ox, and bird, crow, etc. So these are the names that belongs to masculine gender, and these names can be written as a masculine gender. Okay, so this is the topic, your noun gender. Today we discussed about the types of noun gender. There are 4 types of noun gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. Later we discussed, otherwise we divided some names according to their gender, and there we put father, brother, and grandfather, and dog also in the category of masculine gender. We put the mother and sister in the category of feminine gender, because feminine means a name of noun that represents to female is feminine gender. Further, we put the teacher, doctor, and driver in the category of common gender, because a masculine gender is also a teacher and a feminine gender may be also a teacher. It is not compulsory that only male, otherwise female may be a teacher, doctor or driver, both. So such words are in common gender. Later we write the car, hospital and school. So those words belong to non-living things. So all the name of non-living things are neuter gender. Now we discussed about the masculine gender. A name, otherwise a noun which is used only for male, is known as masculine gender. A person, an animal and a bird can be put in this category. Okay, we can put a person, an animal, otherwise a bird, in the category of masculine gender. Here we have some examples such as brother, father, uncle, grandfather, boy, dog, ox, crow, etc. So these are the examples. So this is the topic of noun gender. It is first topic in noun gender. We shall continue the same topic in next video. Thank you.